Hello friends and colleagues. Thursday, April 16th, is, in fact, the last day of calm, as tomorrow the show, in its broader sense, kicks off with the traditional JB&A Pre-NAB Technology Event 2026, taking place in the Flamingo Hotel on April 17th to 18th. Briefly, we'll report from the event, so stay tuned. Now, let's focus on what exhibitors plan to introduce at the NAB Show 2026.
Canon USA will debut the Cine Servo 40 to 1200mm t5.0 to 10.8 lens, which the company says offers world's longest focal length among servo zoom lenses compatible with large format sensor cameras. The new lens delivers extremely wide zoom range in a compact form factor, making it ideal for wildlife productions, sports, and live events. It offers a 40 to 1200mm focal range, expandable to 1800mm with 1.5 times extender engaged. The lens shares the same size and weight as the Cine Servo 50 to 1000mm. It provides native Super 35mm sensor coverage and can cover full-frame sensors with 1.5 times extender engaged. The Cine Servo 40 to 1200mm is available with RF or PL mount options. Stay tuned to our newscasts. We will be reporting from Canon booth, highlighting this new lens along with other innovations the company will introduce at the NAB Show 2026.
Axle AI has announced a new panel for Avid Media Composer that enables editors to search, preview, and import media directly from any Axle AI media asset management system. The panel will be demonstrated at Axle AI's booth at the NAB Show 2026. Designed to streamline editorial workflows, Axle AI's Media Composer panel integrates directly within the Avid user interface, allowing editors to search across all Axle AI catalogs, preview and trim clips, and import selected media into their projects without leaving their edit environment. The panel supports both local network access and secure remote workflows using Axle AI's remote access tools. The product will be in immediate beta release after the show, with wider release expected in June 2026.
Macnica will debut its new MEP25 Smart NIC at NAB Show 2026, introducing a 25 Gb Ethernet-optimized media I/O platform designed to bring deterministic SMPTE-ST2110 workflows to standard compute environments. Alongside the launch, Macnica will showcase a partner ecosystem spanning software, video processing, and edge AI, demonstrating how interoperable technologies can be combined to build complete, modern media workflows. The MEP25 extends Macnica's MEP platform with hardware-accelerated ST2110 transport over 25 Gb Ethernet, delivering a practical balance of performance, cost, and system integration for software-based production systems, distributed architectures, and Mac-based applications.
Laowa will introduce the world's first parfocal zoom super macro lenses, the Axon series, alongside the two Ultima broadcast zoom lenses and the newly launched world's widest probe zoom series. The Axon 45mm f2.8 Ultra Macro 1 to 5x APO and Axon 17.5mm f1.75 to 10x Ultra Macro APO maintain a fixed working distance across the entire zoom range, eliminating the need to physically reposition the camera when shifting magnification. Ultima 25 to 180mm t3.8 ff broadcast zoom lens is a constant aperture powerhouse featuring suppressed focus breathing and true parfocal performance, while Ultima 25 to 600mm t4s 35 broadcast zoom parfocal lens features a 24 times magnification ratio with low focus breathing. The 15 to 24mm t8 and 15 to 35mm t12 probe zoom lenses, first unveiled as prototypes at NAB 2025, will debut at the show as the production-ready versions, following further refinements, offering an expansive focal range and the widest angle of view that enable dramatic, fluid zoom effects with precise perspective control.
GoPro has announced the upcoming release of the Mission 1 series compact cinematic camera system, built around a new 1-inch sensor designed to capture more light and deliver sharper, more detailed images with reduced noise, even in challenging low-light conditions. The cameras support 8K open gate mode, enabling the capture of a taller frame in 4:3 at up to 8K 30p. The GP3 processor, advanced hardware optimization and a higher capacity Enduro 2 battery with fast charging, deliver the longest continuous runtimes and most dependable thermal performance of any GoPro ever. In addition to video, Mission 1 can capture still images at up to 50 megapixels. The new GP3 processor runs advanced denoise algorithms to clean up shots, while the 1-inch sensor provides exceptional detail from the darkest shadows. A new system-on-a-chip delivers doubles pixel processing power, enabling best-in-class resolutions and frame rates. The series includes 3 models: Mission 1, a compact cinematic camera with a fixed 14mm GoPro lens; Mission 1 Pro, featuring an advanced feature set and the same fixed 14mm lens; and Mission 1 Pro ILS, a specialized version with interchangeable MFT lenses.
With this newscast, we conclude our pre-show coverage. Our next edition of Briefly will go online on Friday, April 17th, featuring a report from the JB&A Pre-NAB Technology Event 2026. Stay tuned.